Камине в 6 утра, фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе.
And that fox brat, he shouldn't be a ninja. That's for sure. What is Lord Hokage thinking?
Разбитая душа, все твои обещания.
You're a failure.
Well, it serves him right. Just imagine what would happen if he became a ninja.
Just stay out of my way and don't drag me down, understand? You pussy.
За собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклу бегал так упрямо. И если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделав последний вздох. И звезды мирно падали, как будто для меня. Я каждый раз загадывал тебя не потерять, но больше не могу, я просто мучаю себя. Теперь же больше не
I believe I'm gonna come after all of that hate that's inside of you too someday.
И все твои обещания пустота.
At first, everyone thought he was only a big nuisance. I was certainly no different. He feared what he might become, so he just kept him at arm's length. Treated him like nothing but a bother. Determined, he never gave up. He always followed his heart and tried his hardest, and he stayed true to his ninja way no matter what he was facing. And slowly but surely, we couldn't help but acknowledge him.
Being smarter means what you say it does. I'll remain a fool my entire life. I'm going after him, and I'll do it alone if I have to. I'll create my own incredible jutsu. Cause people called me a failure. I'll prove them wrong.